everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create videos using CapCut template. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your CapCut application. After that, here you have to click on this template button at the bottom. When you click on this template button, here you have to select any template. Now here you have to select any template which you make a video on it. After that, here you have to click on the template. After that, you have to click on this. After that, you have to click on this left. Here you have to click on this use this template at the bottom. When you click on this, now here you have to select images. Now here you have to select two images from your mobile phone gallery. After that, you have to click on this next. Now after that, you have to click on this top right export button. Here you can see. When you click on this, now here you have to click on this export. Here you have to click on this export button. In this way you can in this way you can make a video using CapCut template. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.